Hello, students, with the final lesson of the week, which is our writing lesson for the 11th day of September, the last day of the week on a Friday. And we didn't have time to focus on the next letter. I wanted to do the next one, and I got a little carried away talking about the maps and stuff. So, anyway, what you're going to do for today's writing lesson is simply practice 5 times each of these letters that we have practiced that are tall. These are all the tall lowercase letters. We have letter L, letter H, letter B, letter T, and letter K. And they're grouped like this because they're all lowercase letters, but they're also all tall. They all go all the way to the top line. Every single one of these. Don't call lowercase letters the little letters. That's confusing because there's many lowercase letters that are not little. There we go. We have 5 of them that we practiced. We still have which ones? We had the D and then the letter F. And I think that's all of them. And we will cover those next week. But for today, just practice these 5 times each, these letters, and do them as nicely as you can. And I'm not going to go through the script of exactly how to do them because we've done that enough times. Now, just one extra word to write here. I thought you'd have fun writing this word. It's the word Google. And we keep saying Google all the time. Google, 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 Google Classroom, Google Maps, Google everything. And yeah, so that's a fun word to write. If you cover the G-L-E, it says goo. And another thing to notice here is that we've got a G and another G. And we have 2 O's. So the word Google has 2 G's and 2 O's. So there it is, Google. And Google is a number. Yes, that might sound strange to you, but Google is actually a number, and I will talk about that another time. You can learn, we'll talk about the number Google. But for now, you can just write Google on your paper, and these 5 words, or rather these 5 letters, practice making them good. Remember, the point of this is not just to finish it, it is to do an excellent job. So that is it for your writing assignment. You can pause. Here, I'll move it out so you can see everything at once. And there you go. You can copy it. And have a great weekend.